Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. I had a few people at the end of last week, and a few through the weekend tell me that they had a glitch where the password manager in Google Chrome had lost their passwords and credentials, and was wondering if something was wrong with their browser, if there was an update for it. Normally, this should be back to normal for everybody. Google did confirm that when you moved to version 127 of the browser last week, a glitch happened, and it happened only for the users that updated on the first day to 127. So if you updated like Friday or through the weekend, you probably didn't see this problem at all. But some people were actually seeing this problem. And like I said, it was the first users of 127 at the start of the rollout of version 127 of Google Chrome. So now it's fixed. It's not an update to your browser, so there's no update being pushed to you or anything. Google says that they fixed it on their side where something was not right. So it should be back to normal, and everything should be working fine now for Chrome users. If you were a little worried about the loss of the passwords and so on, it should be back. Your passwords, everything should be back to normal. It was really like the first 24 hours that were the worst. Some people have seen the problem go up to maybe Friday. Once again, only the ones that updated on the first day. And now everything's back to working order. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.